Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very important and special project. I'm going to be making my very first diaper cake. One of my best friends, Jennifer, is having a baby and her shower is coming up, and she is not going to find out what she's having until she gets here. So her shower is going to be bee themed, and I'm making a bee themed diaper cake. So this hopefully will go really well, and you can get some tips on how to do one yourself, or you can just laugh at the monstrosity I create. Either way, it's going to be a good time, so stick around. I'm going to show you first all the stuff that I have laid out to use for my diaper cake. So of course you can't make a diaper cake without diapers. You will also need a 14-inch cake board. You can cut some cardboard down, but it's easy. But this was pretty easy to go ahead and buy from the Hobby Lobby. I got some utensils, or I got some decor here. Got this little flower. I got a pack of flowers, a pack of bees, my glue sticks and scissors. I got these two bees from their little wood section. A new glue stick, and I picked these up at the Dollar General. I'm probably going to write on those to put on the diaper cake somewhere. Some curling ribbon. I got this big sunflower to go as my topper. I got these 3 rolls of ribbon. This one says hello little one with gold lettering, and then I have a paper towel roll. So that is all of our supplies that we hopefully will need, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start with our base and our toilet paper roll. This is the paper towel roll, not a toilet paper roll. Just going to try to get it about center and use our glue gun. Hey baby, you want to help? Okay. Can you say hey? Hey. We're making a diaper cake. Alright. A diaper, ew, ew, yuck. Alright. One thing I forgot to mention when I was going over my my ingredients, supplies, is some rubber bands. I forgot to pick up rubber bands, so I have these little like hair elastics, which are working perfectly. So you're going to take your diaper, roll it up, and then just throw a tie on it. Just like that. And then it's ready. We're going to put these all around the base. I've already done a few here while I was waiting on my glue gun to heat up. Just like that. And then we are going to take our curling ribbon Kinsley, that's really hot, honey. And then just tie this. Go ahead and double knot it so it stays nice and firm. And then cut the excess off. And move on to the next one. So I'm going to roll up some more diapers and we'll get to going. See if this is fresh or stinky. Fresh. A girl or a boy? A girl. A girl? Yeah. Like you? What have you been asking Daddy for? A girl. What kind of girl? A baby sister? Yeah. I'll help you. Okay, you can hand them to me. You want to roll one? Where you put them out? I'll show you. Okay. I need a diaper helper. I need one of those.
Well.
Okay, you roll one. Good job.
What? Here we go. I can't do it.
Oh, it's okay.
I can't do it now.
You can do anything. Girl power.
What?
Right?
I'll help you. I'll do one. Help you. Wait. Now help me up. Now, get this.
It seems to be staying tighter if I roll it from the loose end, the separated end, towards the back seam. Seems to make a tighter roll, so I'm going to start doing that.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's go ahead and put the next layer on. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so let's start lining up some more. Get my hair out of there. Hold on. You're getting ahead of me. I think we can squeeze one more in here. Okay. Get some.
What's okay? What's okay? What's okay? Mommy, can I have a thing?
Can you have a what? Yes.
Can I have a... I think these. I think. Okay.
So this is what we're working with right now. And we're just going to keep building out from there. So I'll check back with you in just a few. Alright, so we just finished the bottom layer. We did 3 rows out. Now we're going to start on the second row up. What'd you just throw in there? Don't be wasting my elastic. Ainsley, stop.
Mommy.
It's after 1 a.m. and she's a silly goose. We've had her in bed for hours and it's not working. Alright, so I'm going to need more diapers. I'm going to go bust open another pack and get started on finishing up this top row. I'm probably going to do 2 rows out on it. That'll make it look good. Alright, see you in a minute.
That delicious Coke taste at 1:30 in the morning when you're building diaper cakes.
Okay, putting on the last layer.
Look, Mommy.
Oops.
Look, Mommy.
I see you. Come on.
What's this, Mommy? Mommy.
That holds my memory card.
Oh.
Alright. So now we have the basic structure built.
I got my ball.
for our 3-tier cake. And now we will start adding the embellishments. So, for the top,
this can work. This can work. This can work.
Go back over there with Mommy.
that was her new slime ball we got at Hobby Lobby. See if I can use my okay.
Okay.
You're being super helpful. Alright, you're gonna put my flour on top. You can use whatever kind of topper or ribbon colors that coordinate with the shower that you're hosting. But you're just going to wrap the ribbon. Where'd my scissors go?
Right there.
And then make sure your curling ribbon is covered, and you're just going to put a little dab of hot glue and attach the 2 pieces of ribbon together just like so that it makes a pretty little seam there, and you will continue that on down. So I'm going to go in with yellow on the 2nd tier. Are you putting your own ribbon on here?
Oh.
And of course, if you know ahead of time, you can work to make sure you're getting your stuff half off at Hobby Lobby. You can get your ribbon half off at Hobby Lobby every other week, or you can get it at Walmart for a pretty good price.
Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lolo.
Okay. We'll do yellow in a minute.
Okay. Get it. Don't get it. What's that, Mom?
That even. Tighten up a little bit more. You can readjust your ribbon as needed and add a little bit more glue if you need to. The main thing is you want to try and not get the glue on the diapers so that they can actually use the diapers for the baby. Alright, so now we have this part complete. We're going to add a few more embellishments, like the little bumblebees. So I think I'm going to add one right here.
Mama.
And maybe one right here. I need to see this from the front.
Mommy.
I'm just going to kind of place these before I actually start gluing anything down. Kind of just work through it. These actually have little stems on them, so I can just stick them down in and actually make it look like they are flying around the cake. Just add these to the back. I'm not going to do a whole lot of decor on the back, but that will give it just a little something back there. This one, the stem came off, so I'm going to just glue him back here. That little bit of glue will come off of that diaper, so they'll still be able to use it. And then these are stickers, so they can just be pulled off. I actually like that kind of waterfall look. And then I will glue the beads onto the ribbon. Just like that. Here's the completed diaper cake. I think that it looks really cute. It's got a lot going on, but it's not too much. So it'll match the theme, and she'll be able to use these diapers for the little baby when he or she gets here. I'm really excited. I think this turned out pretty cute for my first one. I was a little intimidated, but I'm happy with it. I especially love these little ones that look like they're flying around. I think it really adds to it. So I hope that she likes it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you turn on the notification bell so you can see when I upload more interesting content, because, you know, we always got to believe in ourselves that we can make something. Sorry. Anyways, if you don't have anything nice to say, remember, just shut your glam mouth. Bye, y'all.
And remember, make sure you believe in yourself.